Hello everybody. How you guys doing today? Today is Sunday, and today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a boat part. Okay, and the boat part going to be 4 inches by 76. Okay, now let's go to our Mastercam 9 and start doing that now. Okay, let's go to a main menu here and go and click F9, and let's go to create here and select on rectangle. We're going to use 1 point. Okay, we're going to use 40 by 80. The width 40 and the height going to be 80. And we're going to select right here, select OK. And we're going to come on the top right here, say origin right here, select origin. And going to click escape, Alt F1. And we're going to go to main menu. And we're going to make a line, right? We're going to make 2 inches line from the bottom to the top and top to bottom, okay? Go to X form and we're going to select on offset. And we're going to select copy here. We're going to select on 2 inches. And number of steps, we're going to use 1, okay? After distance, we're going to put 2 inches and select OK. We're going to select on this bottom line right here and click it. And from top line right here and click it. And click escape. We're going to go back to offset again. And we're going to select 4 inches, okay? Going to put 4 inches on here of the distance. And click OK. We're going to use this first line right here. Go ahead and click on that. We're going to make 3 of them. That's 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now we're going to go back to main menu. Now let's go to create. We're going to make a select an arc and we're going to use 3 point. Okay. We're going to start from the bottom right here and then to the midpoint and then to the top. Okay. Go ahead and select right here, this bottom right here, this bottom line right here. Go ahead and click on it. And then we're going to select on the midpoint right here. And then we're going to select on this end point actually. Okay. We're going to do one more here. Okay. From this bottom right here, select it. And then we can select on this midpoint and then to the end point here. Okay. And click escape. Now we're going to come back to the top right here and then start to delete this line. Okay, we're going to delete this 1 line, 2 line, 3, 4, and 5 right here. Okay, that's how we do it. Okay. Now we can put this line back right here. Undelete the line right here. You click on that. Click on that. Okay, we can use that. Okay. Now let's redo again. We're gonna go and delete again. I'm gonna show you this because some people they kind of make mistake on it. That's why I keep doing this back and forth. So let's go ahead and delete again the line again. Okay. Now you gotta delete this line right here. 1, and we're gonna delete this line right here. 2. Okay. And then we're gonna delete this line right here. 3. Okay. That's all we need to delete because we're gonna trim this line out. The bottom right, this top right here. Now let's go to our main menu. And we're gonna do modify here, and we're gonna use trim, and we're gonna select on one entity here. So I select this line right here, and select the second line right here. Okay, that's how it looks. Now do one more here. Okay, that's how it looks right here. Now we're gonna do the bottom right here. Do the same thing. Okay, that's how it looks right there. So we're gonna make 5 of these both part right here. Okay, instead of doing another line and start to try to trim it out and use one entity, instead of doing that, we're gonna drag this to, make it 5 pieces, okay? So we're gonna drag this whole thing here. So let's go to our main menu and go ahead and click on modify. We're gonna drag this part here. Click on drag, and then select on chain here. Okay, select on it, click on it. And then come back to the left side again. We're gonna click done. Okay. And then we're gonna drag this over here. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna click copy here. We don't want to move it. We're gonna copy. Okay. We're going to click on translate right here and click OK. Okay, we're going to click right there in the middle and we're going to drag it. Okay, there's 1 here. Drag it again. That's 2 there. That's 3. And it's going to be 4 here. We got 1 more here. Yeah, we got 1 more. And 5 right here. And click escape. That's all we have to do right there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and select F9 again. We're going to You don't want to see that line. Okay, so we have these 5 pieces of bolt part. Okay, let's go to a main menu, and we're gonna cut it out. We're gonna cut this bolt part out. Okay, now let's go to a toolpath, and you're gonna select contour. Okay, we're gonna select right here, this bottom line right here. There's 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that's how we cut it out. Okay, and then we're gonna cut this box out right here, this table, this piece of this sheet right here. One whole sheet, we're gonna cut it out here. Go ahead and cut it out and click done. And these are tool library. Go ahead and right click on it and get a tool from our library. And this time we only use one tool, of course. We're gonna use a half-inch flat end mill, which is stationed on tool number 239. Go ahead and scroll down to get a tool 239 until you find it right here, 239. Half-inch flat end mill, go ahead and select that and click OK. It says right here tool number 1, tool name, and tool diameter, okay? So on the feed rate, plunge rate, retractive rate, I'm gonna go ahead and put 7.0. It's not too fast, not too slow, okay? Okay, on this section right here, I'm just gonna put cutting out, okay? And then on spindle speed right here, go ahead and change it to 2000. And then the coolant right here, go ahead and turn it on. Okay, and then we're gonna select contour parameter right here on the top. Go ahead and make a check mark on clearance right here. Make sure you have enough clearance. So you have to put 2.0 here. And we have the top of the stock right here. We're gonna use 0.75, which is 3/4 inch material. Okay. And the depth, we're gonna cut all the way through. Of course, we're gonna put negative 0.75 also. Okay. And on the right here, computer type, we're gonna put where right here. And the tip com, we're gonna use center. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's all we have. Go ahead and click OK here. That's how it looks. Now let's go to our operation here and select on you verify that. Want to see how it looks. That's how it looks, guys. It looks very nice. So go ahead and exit out and let's go to a job setup here. I want to show you guys how you see from top to bottom. Okay. Now we have the 40 in width. Okay. I got this. The Y is going to be 80 and the width is going to be 40. And the Z, you're going to use 10 inches.
Here's a result from search.
Okay. We're going to display stock right here. See, show. Okay. Now we're going to select right here on isometric. See how it goes. We're going to make it fit the screen here. Okay. And then we're going to zoom in out a little bit right here. That's how it looks. Okay. That's how it looks, guys. So you just go ahead and right click and click on dynamic spin. You can click on it and just rotate it. You want to see different area, different side. Okay, that's how it looks. Okay. Okay, that's all I got today, guys. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please subscribe to the channel, like and share for people that need to learn. If you know somebody that want to learn this Mastercam step by step, it's for beginner only. Please let them know. And other than that, that's all I have. I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you guys enjoy your day, and hope you see you guys next time. And other than that, that's it, guys. You have a wonderful day, and see you next time. Bye.